Hi, I'm Luke from Utopia Clivias, and today I'm going to show you how to plant your Clivia seeds. What you're going to need is your Clivia mix, just like the one we spoke about in a previous video, an empty dish to enclose your seeds, your fresh Clivia seeds, and a fungicide spray and water to keep them moist. So the first step is obviously have your dish with your mix ready to go. And planting the seeds is very simple. You have your name to identify your plant, put that in, and then on the seeds there is a little place for a root that will come out, and that needs to face down. When you place it down, it literally just has to touch the soil and get pressed in lightly. Planting them row for row, slowly but surely. And they never go in too deep, keeping the rows nice and neat. Now that the seeds are planted, you take your spray with your fungicide mixture and you lightly water them. And that is it. Close it up, and in about 4 to 8 weeks you'll have germinated seeds, just like these ones. They were planted a bit earlier, and there's your root and your little leaf that has come out. And this is how easy it is to plant Clivia seeds. I'm Luke from Utopia Clivias, and thank you for watching.